Hi everyone. In this video, what we will be doing is we will be formatting our React code uh, into a formatted code and make sure that whenever our PR gets reviewed by a manager or a specified reviewer, he or she approves our PR, since the formatting is one of the main requirements of the code, and if your code is not formatted, mostly other developers or the one who's reviewing your code will not be able to understand what you've written. So this is a major aspect when writing code. Now obviously you will not always keep on formatting each and every line. So there is a shortcut for this. So what you will need to do is on this VS Code, you just need to go into the extensions tab and type Prettier. Okay, so this is that code formatter. You will click on install, and this extension will get installed into your project. So over here, like you can see that this file is pretty unorganized, and the code is not looking good at all, since there are gaps and the alignment is not proper. So there is a shortcut key. What you need to do is just press Ctrl plus A over here, and it will select all of your code. Right click here, and you will have an option of format selection with. Just click on this, and there will be your extension that you have just installed in the VS Code. Just click on Prettier Code Formatter, and you will see that all of our code has been formatted accordingly. And now when you will send this PR, it will be good and well aligned, and the code will be written neatly then. So just okay, so since our code is now formatted, so you can easily raise your PR, and your fellow developers or the ones you're working with you will also find it easy to read and to understand the code that you have written. So that was all. Hope this video helps you to format your code and create neat and a formatted code PR. So let's see you in the next video. Bye.